Do you know there's a hidden code in the world of wealth? And it's written across 10 books no school ever told you about. These books don't just teach finance. They expose how the world actually works, why some people stay broke forever, while others build silent empires. You've heard of passive income, investing, escaping the rat race. But here's the truth. You're not lacking ambition, you're missing the blueprint. Let's be honest. If binge-watching finance reels made people rich, we'd all be millionaires by now, right? In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to break down the 10 most powerful finance books of all time. The ones that built legacies, not just bank balances. Because by the end of this video, your bookshelf might just become your biggest investment. 1. Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Robert Kiyosaki. Ever wondered why the smartest people often stay broke? Kiyosaki's Rich Dad, Poor Dad reveals how mindset, not money, shapes your financial destiny. You'll start questioning every belief you've ever held about jobs, savings, and success. This isn't a book. It's a mental reset. Takeaway. The rich don't work for money. They make money work for them. But if this book is a mindset shift, the next one is a tactical weapon. 2. The Psychology of Money, Morgan Housel. We think finance is logic, but it's emotion. Morgan Housel explains why your past trauma, fears, and upbringing silently control your spending habits. This book is hauntingly relatable and terrifyingly honest. Takeaway. Building wealth isn't about intelligence, it's about behavior. So yeah, even if you're bad at math, you still have a shot at being rich. Shocking, I know. 3. The Millionaire Fastlane, M.J. DeMarco. Spoiler alert, the save for 40 years, retire at 60 plan? It's a scam, and DeMarco tears it apart. He'll show you how the real rich move fast, by building systems, not resumes. Takeaway. Wealth is not a marathon. It's a well-executed sprint, if done right. But speed without control? Dangerous. That's where the next book comes in. 4. The Intelligent Investor, Benjamin Graham. Called the Bible of Investing. If Warren Buffett swears by it, so should you. Graham teaches how to protect your money before multiplying it. This one's dense, but if you want serious wealth, not just Instagram wealth, it's mandatory. Takeaway. In a world chasing hype, be the one who chases value. 5. I Will Teach You to Be Rich, Ramit Sethi. Most books shame you for buying coffee. Ramit says, buy the damn coffee, but automate your future. This book is witty, sassy, but dangerously effective. Takeaway. Get rich guilt-free by designing a money system that runs while you sleep. But what if I told you there's a book that teaches you how to buy time? 6. Your Money or Your Life, Vicki Robin. Every rupee you spend is a trade-off between money and your life hours. This book will make you uncomfortable, but in the best way. You'll never look at a purchase the same way again. Takeaway. True wealth equals freedom over your time. 7. Think and Grow Rich. Napoleon Hill. Based on 25 years of interviews with the most successful people of the 20th century. This book isn't just about money. It's about unlocking the power of belief. Takeaway. What your mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. Cliché? Maybe. But generations have proven it works. 8. The Almanac of Naval Ravikant, Eric Jorgensen. Ever met someone who mixes stoic peace with billionaire brain? That's Naval. This book will teach you leverage, compounding, and how to become wealthy without losing your soul. Takeaway. Get rich by owning equity, not renting your time. 9. Die with Zero, Bill Perkins. You're not just saving for old age, you're also postponing life. Perkins flips the traditional script: spend intentionally, live fully. Takeaway. Optimize your money to create memories, not just returns. 10. The Barefoot Investor, Scott Pape. Want a step-by-step system to escape debt, budget better, and still enjoy your life? This book is like a financial GPS, even for absolute beginners. Takeaway: simplicity wins every single time. So now you know the 10 books that could literally rewire your brain for wealth. But here's the truth: reading isn't enough. You need to apply these principles using a proven framework, one that's simple, powerful, and has helped people across generations. Which is why I created a full video explaining the three-legged wealth formula, the exact structure the rich unknowingly follow. Click here to watch it next. Your wealth journey is just getting started. And hey, don't forget to save now on this video, because in a year, you'll be glad you did.